Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix a folder cannot be shared in Windows 10. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start it. Okay guys, in this video tutorial I will share a couple of methods to fix this type of error. So let's start. The first method is that first of all select a folder, right click and go to your properties. After doing this tab, go to your sharings, go to your advanced sharing. After doing this tab, check the box share this folder. After doing this tab, you can go to your click on permissions. After doing this tab, select everyone and check allow to all these full control and changings. After doing this tab, click on apply, click on OK button, click on OK, and after doing this tab, close it. After this tab, the second method is that go to your search box and type a control panel. After doing this tab, go to your network and internet. Go to your network and sharing center. After doing this tab, you can go to your change advanced sharing settings. After doing so, expand the all networks. Scroll down and password protection settings. So click on turn off password protection sharing. After doing this tab, save it, close it, and after doing this tab, I'm sure that your problem has been fixed. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.